whakawhai atu, hanea da tōla tau wala tātu tupu ke lata ia me pōria pōnei. Greetings and whakawhai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Koe tuanga he tau whakaholoanga 4G, he kautaha moa mo e whakawhano whikau ke motu. Telecom Niue's 4G network update. Ko whangi whakaku e whale taonga Niue 4, ke ono e tau tangata he motu. Taonga Niue was open for a few hours to the public. Matuta ke tau whakaholoanga whakaako he whahi malolo sino, ke lata me tau tangata langwatai ke he whahi malolo ke he tau maanga. Health continues to train village health workers. Talahawai he takitaki kautaha ko Colin Talamahina whaile kua ngai ani ke he whakaholoanga 4G moe nā kai moa mitaki ke he whalato matakawi ke he whahi uta me whahi toke lau he motu ke he mga nei. Koe tau maanga tuapa hiku tā wāke toi muta lau la kepa liku moha kupu la whikiai a lau tōle ta tangata wha o takawhanga ika ki lunga he tofia. Ke mga honei kua whae seo me limu fulu e tau tangata fōu, ni ko mauai e tau whaholoanga 4G, whalataha mo e tau koloa 4G. Ko ki sia e whakaonganga he whaholoanga 4G ke he tau puhala live streaming, mo e mai ke tau tangata ni kua no nofo, ke he tau motu ke he ke ki sia e tau ngahua, me tau whekau he motu he ngaho ke tau ka eke ko tau se ai. Kua mana ki ke kautaha Telecom Niue po ke matakau moa me whawhan whekau, ke whakaulu e matapatu telefoni 4G ke he aulotu he whahi tapkahau. Director for Telecom Colin Talamahina says they are still experiencing coverage issues and are looking into rectifying the issues in their new phase, having completed phase 1. A number of branded smartphones that are not on the 28 band cannot work on the current 4G system. For those wanting to purchase a new phone in order to be compatible with the network, it's being advised to purchase phones that are 28 bandwidth compatible.
First phase has been quite good, it's been positive. We've amassed about 450 new users on 4G, so it's been quite positive for our cash flows as well, which is what I'm measured on. Some of the issues we have is still coverage based. So as part of phase 2, we'll be rolling out another 4 sites. We've ordered 1 already, and that site's likely to be Hikutawake. So we get coverage on that northern tip. I know that some fishermen as well are still looking for that all-island coverage, and as we roll out, as we complete our second phase, then we'll be able to tilt the antennas out seabound so that you can get more coverage around the marine area. With the handsets, we are purchasing and finding more new manufacturers. So our biggest one at the moment is Apple, so we want iPhones to work, and there's quite a few people on island with Apple phones. So we've been asking Apple to verify a network, which they've said that they will do soon.
In addition to obtaining devices affordable for consumers and compatible with the network, Colin advises they'll be prioritizing coverage on the northern and eastern side in the new year by deploying their new antennas to those areas. Despite teething problems, Colin was pleased with the use of 4G to date, including live streaming and reception of the Niuean community here and abroad, being able to witness events in Niue as they unfold. Telecom Niue will officially launch their 4G network Wednesday next week.
We're launching our stage 1 completion, so that will be here next Wednesday. There'll be an official opening. We'll have a whawhiao come and open it up. We also have an open day. So we're inviting the public to come in. We'll have a sausage sizzle, some drinks, and public are allowed to, or more than welcome to come in for our office. We'll have all our staff available. On top of that, we're doing a 2-for-1 deal. So if you come in next Wednesday, you buy a data package, we'll give you the equivalent for free. So 2-for-1. So if you want to buy a big data package, that's the day.
Koe au nei ni hawhangi moe wina e whahinga hua taonga Niue ke motu katoa ke o atu ke kisekese ke he whale taonga Niue fōu. Koe kaina whakamotu mai potaanga he taukoloa taonga, haha iai ke kaina fōu I halamahanga. Ne whakailoa mai e whāhinga hua taonga niwe, kua whakatari a lautolu ke mau pōpō whakamua, he taonga hua, he tau pulotu tālanga whale, a tō tau hake ha lautolu, a tau koloa uho ki loto he whale fōu. Hahai ai e tau whakaholoanga pauwaki, mo ha whangianga he whale taonga, ke whakahoko, ke he whahe tapuka hau, ka fusi e masini hani we, a hau pule whakamotu hani we, ke whangofruma whaaki, he au whalaile koe au hongfruma hiva he mahinao ke topa. Taonga Niue is opened its new building to the public today with the official opening next week. The official opening will be held next week, coinciding with the flag raising ceremony commemorating and celebrating self-governing 44 years ago. Taonga Niue says there will be a special program for the opening. They are awaiting the completion of the building to release further details. Ko matuta ki e tau whakakoanga he whahi malolo sino, ke lata ia me tau tangata, ne amanaki ke langmatai, ke fuafua e tau tangata ki loto he tau maanga. Ka mata e whakakoanga nei ke he tau ua whi hongwhuma ono, mo kua liula ia whawhangu mai, he tau nei ke lata me tau whakaonganga, he tau masini fuafua, koe whakapukeanga he tau pepa, ke lata me tau ngangao nākai pikisia.
Whakalohanga whakakoa nei ke ua aki, ke lata ia mo e hatu tōla tō matakaitanga, no ka manaki ke langamatai atu ke tō whakalohanga whahinga hua malolo sino. Whakamahino ni ke tō ngangao nā kaipikisia. Si tōnga ia ko whitaa ni e whakaholanga nei he whai whakakoanga ke tau uawhi mai hongo fumaono. Si lawe ni e whahinga hua ke tau kamale, si nā kai mai ke whakamapopo mai whakausi ha mautolo whakalohanga. So ke tau nei ono whakalahi ha mautolo ke whakausi e he mautolo tau whakakoanga ke lato mo lautolo ia, na ko whiwhiri he tau whanau takitaki manga ke eke mai ha lautolo a tau 5 langomatai ki loto he tau maanga takita. Ke rewe ki atu ke tau mumui malolo sino he tau tangata he tau tōra mutu. Whalua tau whakaloanga fuki ke he mangaho ka whai tangata lautolo ni maua, ko tokolunga e toto, po ke tokolunga e suka, po ke whai ngangao fuki ke he lautolo tau sino, mo i loa fuki e lautolo, ko hai e tau tangata i loto he whahinga hoa malolo sino, ni kwa lata tunu i a lautolo ke whawhanua ngi tau tangata ki ai. Po ke matutaki ki a hai, ke maua mai e tahalang mataianga ke lata mai tau tangata nei.
Toko hongo whuma whae maanga ka kua toko hongo furu ni, e tau hukui mai he tau maanga ne kua whakalataha atu ke whakaholoanga he Scenic Maravai.
Tōna he hokulo he whakaholoanga ni ke lata ia mō mauturi tu tangata ki ngahua ai ki loto he tau maanga community health workers ka ha. Ke tau puhala ke whakawhileweia ki me tau puhala ke mōai e tau information ka. Ke lata ia mo tau tangata, pia fuki me tau puhala ke mai ki a mauturu ke whakawhanuat, mga honi koe whenga mauturu ka ke tunga e fua he suka, mo e fua he toto. Hako eke tau nusi a mauturu, hako tau tangata ngahua mauturu, koe hokulo he whikau, koe tau se screening ka ke kumi, ke kisia, ke pui ke ua hoko atu ke tau ngangau ni, ka mai ke tau fitu ai, po ke moua tu ai te whakakoanga, to hoko a kita ka hake pe moua he suka. So ko te mena nei ia ni ono la hikeu koe pui. Mo e mai ke a mauturu mea ka ke sia tangata na ko tokolunga e suka. So ko ha mauturu mo ia ke whikau ke whanu ke whalengangau. Ko he whahe tuto ke tā mo tau nusi. Ia ia ke tau se tau whahi malolo sino. Ko ha mauturu koe lari ke pui.
Ke aho nei ko tu whatuwha e tau whakamailonganga, mo e tau kato ngā hua he tau hukui, he tau maanga ne kua katoa, po ke hohoko atu ke whakaholoanga, mo e tau whakakoanga ke langmatai he whahi malolo sino, ki loto he tau maanga. Kua whakatoa e tau whakakoanga, mo e tau whakatutalanga ke he aho nei. Village health workers continue to be trained by the Health Department on non-communicable diseases. The training is a refresher and continuation from the training workshops held in 2016, focused on detecting non-communicable diseases.
This training is just, again, revisiting what we had already done in 2016 to make sure that when we are ready to roll out the program, the village healthcare workers are also ready to start, and that they are aware of what their roles and responsibilities are. How to use the equipment for NCD non-communicable disease screening, as well as how to I guess, using the different tools that they will be given. That is the assessment forms, the referral forms, as well as each of the equipments that they'll be required to use to support their non-communicable screening programs out in their own communities. For them to have a feel of the instruments again, just continuing to learn how to use it, understand the values, what are the normal values as opposed to the abnormal values, when do they refer the cases back to the hospital, who do they refer the cases to, and if they need the additional support, we will always be there to help them. So I guess it's just trying to get themselves coordinated with how they will link their village health care worker program with the health department and what all other requirements they will be responsible for out in the communities. We would also be looking at meeting with their village council members to explain their term of reference, like what roles and responsibilities that they will be required to do, so that we would also engage them to support the village healthcare work.
Only 10 villages representatives were present out of the 14 villages for the 3-day workshop. The health department is working together with the village council on implementing the village health workers initiative.
We found that with the limited number of with the limited workforce that we have, there is a need for us to reach out to the communities and train them. So training of the trainees would allow us to, I guess, capture a lot more people when it comes to non-communicable diseases in a short period of time. With the limited staff that we have on board already, it will take some time for us to screen people. And I guess with the burden of non-communicable diseases now, we've seen a gradual increase in the number of people with diabetes, high blood pressure, as well as gout and also obesity. And that in itself is a concern for the department, because it would mean that we would need to increase the funding support that the department would require each year to meet the needs of those people in terms of procurement of resources that are required to be used, as well as the medication that they would be required to be taken as well. So that was, I guess, the initiative behind it, to be able to capture a lot more people in a short period of time and to make sure that we get everybody and we don't miss anyone out.
Another workshop will be held for village representatives who did not participate in the 3-day workshop. The training ended today at the Scenic Matavai, with participants being given certificates as village health workers. And that concludes our news bulletin for tonight. Kosmene ata tolo ata wala tal tutupu ke lata ia me puli po nei. Kena na whaame ki amni nepo.